Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to check AliExpress tracking number. When a seller ships your order, they attach a tracking number that lets you monitor the package journey. Just go to your list of orders on AliExpress. Locate the shipped order and hover your mouse over locate order or track order. You will see the tracking number and the latest status updates of your package. Click the button to access a page with a detailed tracking information including the full movement history. And if you're on the phone, open the AliExpress app and go to your orders. Find the order under to be shipped or shipped, then tap the tracking button and you will see the tracking number and the package movement history. And that's it guys, you can now monitor your AliExpress order every step of the way. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.